Hello, this is roving reporter Rhonda giving you the buzz on bees. Bees are what pollinate about 71 of the 100 crops grown that produce approximately 90% of our food supply. They add $15 billion annually in value to American crops, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Commercial farmers, as well as the backyard farmers, rely on them to produce fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without them, alfalfa would not survive. Without alfalfa, the beef and dairy industries could fail. Bees also pollinate oilseeds, which make up a large percentage of the world's fat. Since cotton is an oilseed, that means the cotton trade would be in trouble also. Beginning around 2006, honeybees began dying in large numbers and no one knew why. Beekeepers and farmers sounded the alarm. Bees were disappearing. Scientists have pointed to several theories, including parasites, poor nutrition, and pesticides. Today, I will focus on pesticide use. Pesticides labeled neonicotinoids, or neonics for short, are another possible cause. Seeds are treated with neonics so that the plant grows the pesticides and incorporated into the plant's tissue. Neonics are about 6,000 more times toxic to bees than DDT. When an insect takes a bite, they ingest the neonic, which blocks a particular neurotransmitter, allowing enzymes to build up. The bee's nerves overexcite, and paralysis and death follows. With food production at stake, what can be done to protect bees and other pollinators from threats like neonics? Big chemical companies like Dow, Bayer, and Syngenta are fighting to prevent bans. Syngenta has asked federal regulators for permission to use even larger quantities of these pesticides, as much as 400 times more than currently allowed. Other governments, like the European Union, are banning the chemicals and not letting the big chemical companies push them around. The European Union, alarmed by the role these chemicals are playing in bee colony collapse disorder, has banned several of them, and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service has committed to phasing them out on the public lands they manage. The states of Seattle, Minnesota, and Oregon have also agreed to take some form of action against neonics. Large companies such as Home Depot and BJ's Wholesale have taken steps to limit plants sold that are treated with neonics. Over 100 businesses sent a letter to President Obama urging the White House to do more to protect bees and other insects against toxic pesticides. We can each do our part by urging our local retailers to phase out neonics and do more to inform and warn their customers about their purchase. We can also give the EPA a call urging the discontinuation of neonics, spurring them to take a more aggressive action. We need bees. Without bees, crops could fail and food production will drop dramatically, causing food shortages and price increases. We rely on bees to pollinate everything from nuts to fruit to the hay used to feed dairy cows. When these things occur, the poor will suffer first, leaving many hungry and in poor nutrition. We have a responsibility to create a healthy environment for bees and other insects, ensuring food production and reasonable pricing for all. We rely on bees to pollinate everything from almonds to strawberries to the hay used to feed dairy cows. What would happen if the bees disappear? It's simple. No bees, no food. Thank you.